Let's look at the first question on the study guide. It says list 2 factors and 2 multiples for each of the following numbers. Remember that factors are numbers that can divide another number or can be used in a multiplication fact to make that number. Multiples, you can think skip counting, or multiplication facts that are made using that number. All right, so factors of 28, numbers that divide 28. I only need 2, but I'm going to list all of them so you can see them. So what numbers divide 28? Well, 1 divides every number, so 1 is always a factor. 28 is an even number. It ends in an 8, so 2 can divide it, and that tells me 14 is also a factor, because if 2 can divide 28 and give me 14, 14 can divide 28 and give me 2. All right. Then what's another number that might divide 28? Well, 4 can divide 28. If I divide 28 by 4, I get 7, so that's another factor. And of course, 28 is a factor of itself. 28 can divide 28. Let's think about 22. Of course, 1 can divide 22, 2 can divide 22, and when I divide 22 by 2, I get 11. 22 is also a factor of itself, so any of those numbers could be potential answers. Finally, what numbers divide 10? 1 can divide 10. 2 can divide 10, 5 can divide 10, and 10 can divide 10. Any of those numbers could be an answer. For multiples, I'm doing skip counting. So I could do 28. 28 plus 28 is 56. Let's add another 28. That's 84. Any number that you can find by skip counting or adding 28 repeatedly could be a multiple. For 22, that could be 22, 44, 66, 88, and continuing to add 22. Any of those could be a multiple. For 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. Any of those could be a multiple.